Let me show you why you should never use batteries in your scale. Here's the deal. I suspected this before I ever tried it and went for months without trying it. But once I plugged it in, I realized I would never go back to batteries again. Here's the reason. When I have a bunch to wrap, it seems that the moment I punch that button, you have to wait like the 4 seconds for it to do the tare, T-A-R-A, to zero out. And then you put the item on the scale and you look at the weight and you do your shipping and take it off, wrap it and do your shipping, or take your package off and do your shipping. And then you get to the next item, depending on how long it takes to wrap. Hopefully most things you wrap are faster, but this doesn't last very long. That stupid display is dead because in order to save battery life, it goes out after, I don't know, 10, 20, well, probably more like 45 seconds. Just about the time I get the next package ready to place on this shelf that I have taped and everything, right as I'm approaching, I can't tell you how many times this has happened to me, that goes dark. And so it's press the button, wait, a 4 count or so for it to come back on, and then you can weigh it, and then you take it off, and by the time you get the next item headed to the scale, that goes dark again. It turns out, if you plug it into the wall, and I moved it over here if you plug it into the wall, it does not go dark. Well, it goes dark, but it stays active. So you can go 4 minutes between a package and this will light back up because it's a little bit dim, but it's still on and it still is weighable. And you don't have that 4 second wait between almost every single package you wrap. Now, I really don't like wires. I have this back on a back weighing table where I have several outlets right by me. I always have power strips on the floor and on each table in my wrap and prep room. But if I can do batteries, I prefer it. You probably do too. All these wires, they just get in the way and everything, but not anymore. I am so glad that I went with wiring, with plugging this thing in and ditching the batteries. And you will thank me for this, I promise.